Now, I know your best friend very well because he's my cousin, and he told me you're not a big football fan. No offense to the footballers in the room. But what was it about Patrice, beyond the fact that he's won a World Cup and Champions League, that got you so interested in this space?
Yeah, I think, I just captured some of it there. I think that the fact that Patrice and I did not connect over football, I think has been a bit of a superpower. I mean, having now immersed myself in the football world, famous footballers, famous managers, ex-footballers, ex-managers, I speak to most people that come into their field of view about football, and that was never the kind of focal point for what we talked about. So as I said, when I met Patrice socially, super impressed by how intelligent he was. 6 languages. I'm sitting right there, but don't get too big a head.
What are the 6?
Yeah, it's only 6, exactly. So there's just an incredible dynamic ability to interact with people. His story was super engaging, and he himself was super inspired about pursuing a big wide world beyond professional sport, and I think it's that project that...
Yes, I think what Snapper is saying, the easy road for any football player is to doing the punditry, to being coach. I finished my coach license, but what's driving me today is to make people happy. And that's why I explore different, opportunity, because football is being part of my life. And of course, I will have to one day to give back what the football gives to me. But right now, when I do a video on social media and I see a comment, someone say, Patrice, my dad just passed away, but watching one of your videos make me smile. This is more important than winning the Champions League. This is the place I am right now. This is where my heart is.
Yeah. You're also the first footballer to speak at the UN, and you do a lot of social impact work. Why is this so important to you?
I was talking before what's drive me, and today is to end the violence against children. And to be honest, to be the first sportsman actually to speak at the UN, it was just amazing, because when I think about that kids, when I was the age of 13 and begging money in front of shop to buy a sandwich, and now to speak in one of the most powerful podium in the world. But like I say, I don't want to take any credit for that, because I'm protecting just billions of children. But yes, it was amazing. I was overwhelmed. And sometimes, I ask God, why me? But this is why I feel like my purpose on earth. And that's the things drive me the most right now.